Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. So, in my last videos you saw me make a clamp rack for the Bessey clamps here and the Irwin clamps and my extra G clamps and F clamps and whatever clamps they are. But I've got 6 of these aluminium ones left. These are probably some of the, no, the second lot of clamps I had. The first lot are actually hanging here. They're those big cast iron record ones. Very rarely come out now. I've got the Bessey clamps. However, I need to mount these as well. I've only got 2, 4, 6 of these. And I've got a feeling I can put them there, just about there. So let's make up something really quick to hang them on the wall. So out that way 150, we'll go down 150, make it square. So we need to grab some plywood and knock up some 150mm square squares and then cut them in half, and that'll give me my 2 brackets to put the clamps between. Yeah, 150mm squares. So let's set this to 150mm wide. We've got our 4 blocks, 150mm square. So let's cut those in half through the diagonal. Then we'll think about the mounting bracket they're going to go on. 1, 2. Just realised something. I've cut too many. Only needed 2, not 4. Idiot. That's a bit stupid of me. I cut too many of these. However, works out okay, because what we'll do is we'll use these to mount these on. So we'll mount those on there like that, and then we'll just screw these to the wall. Can't get it in the hole. Whiskers. So there we have it, 2 mounting brackets for the clamps. Let's go and fix them to the wall and get the brackets on there. Nice and level. Some really simple clamp racks there. Let's put the clamps on and then we're done. And there we have it. Rest of my clamps mounted, so that's all of them done now, until I buy some more, of course. Well then guys, thanks very much for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, walk on by. Don't give it a thumbs down, no point. And if you're a subscriber, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're not, please consider subscribing, it really helps me out. I look forward to welcoming you back to the workshop soon.